To find out the key things you need to know about buying a new furnace for your home, keep watching. Reliability. Something most Canadian homeowners may not realize is that the HVAC contractor you select to buy your furnace from and who will perform the installation is just as important as the brand of furnace you choose. Because not only do you want an established and experienced company that will do a good job, but you will also be relying on this company to provide ongoing support. Furnace replacement signs. If your furnace is over 15 or 20 years old, there's a good chance it's not a particularly energy efficient model or that it may no longer be operating at its initial efficiency level. Many homeowners don't have their furnaces cleaned and properly maintained every year, and common wear and tear can lead to a gradual reduction in operating efficiency and effectiveness. You may be surprised to learn that your 15, 20, or 25-year-old furnace is actually only operating at 60 to 70% AFUE, a measure of efficiency, meaning potentially nearly half your utility costs may be effectively wasted. Upgrading to a new furnace could mean a reduction of up to 30 or 40% in annual heating bills if you have a very old and inefficient furnace. Furnace types. There are 4 major types of furnaces, though a furnace can be both modulating and variable speed, as this refers to burner type and blower speed respectively. Let's compare each one from least efficient to most efficient. Single stage. As it sounds, only one stage. With a single stage model, your furnace is either on or it's off, so there's only one output level. Dual stage. A dual stage furnace has high and low settings. It starts off in the first stage, which is low output. The low output stage meets your home's heating needs 80% of the time. It switches to the second stage, which is high output in response to extreme cold weather changes. Variable and multi-speed. This refers specifically to the blower motor, which circulates the warm air throughout your home. A variable model monitors and adjusts incrementally to ensure the highest comfort and most precise heat distribution throughout your home. Modulating. This refers specifically to the burner, which adjusts incrementally in order to respond to the heat demands of the home. Furnace sizing. There's a common myth out there that square footage is the only factor required to determine the size and BTU output of a residential home heating system. And while home square footage is the primary factor, other factors need to be taken into account when determining the appropriate furnace size to heat your home, like the layout of your home, number of floors, insulation quality, local climate, and more. It's best to have a qualified HVAC professional help with this. Energy Star. When you see a home heating system with an Energy Star certification in Canada, you can rest assured that you're in the presence of an efficient furnace, and the high efficiency means the best bang for your energy dollar. Energy Star home heating systems allow you to save money while decreasing environmental emissions, which reduces your ecological footprint. That's a win for your pocketbook and the environment. Warranty. Warranty information is brand specific, so the amount of coverage will depend on which model and company you purchase. These typically range from 5-year limited parts warranties to 10-year, 20-year, or lifetime warranties on key parts like the heat exchanger and even unit replacement guarantees. Be sure to register your warranty within the registration period after installation, which is typically either 60 or 90 days after installation, depending on the brand. Rebates and incentives. Provincial governments and the federal government often offer rebates and incentives for installing energy-saving home upgrades, though availability will vary by region and may change at any time. Local organizations like utility companies and municipal governments may also have their own HVAC grant programs. Always be sure to check the qualification criteria before having your new heating or cooling system installed. For more info, visit our site today. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.